Starry, starry night, will paint your palette blue and gray. Look out on a summer's day, with eyes that know the darkness of my soul. Shadows on the hills, sketch the trees and the daffodils. Catch the breeze and the winter chills, in colors on the snow-wreathed land. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, and how you suffer for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now. Starry, starry night, flaming flowers that brightly blaze, swirling clouds in a violet haze, reflecting Vincent's eyes of China blue, colors changing hue. The morning fields of amber grain, the weathered faces lined in pain, are soothed beneath the hardest loving hand. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now, for they could not love you, and still your love was the truth. And when no hope was left inside on that starry, starry night, you took your life as lovers often do. And I could have told you, Vincent, this world was never meant for one as beautiful as you. Starry, starry night, portraits hung in empty halls, frameless heads on nameless walls, with eyes that watch the world and can't forget, like the strangers that you've met. Ragged men in ragged clothes, the silver thorn of a bloody rose, like question broken on the verge of snow. Now I think I know what you tried to say to me, and how you've suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now. They would not listen, they're not listening still. Perhaps they never will.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
goes with you.